Back when I was just 11 years old, I still remember watching a movie that showcased how hackers could change their locations every minute. I was filled with curiosity and a question arose in my mind. That is, how did they do it? So hello guys, this is Hassan and I'm on a mission to teach people about hacking and cybersecurity. Join me on this journey by hitting that subscribe button. So today I'm going to share with you a technique that I have learned along the way. That is changing your IP addresses every minute, just like those hackers did. So there are multiple ways to do that. One is you can use proxy chains, and I have already made a video on that. It must be visible on any of these corners. But today I will tell you a simple and a quick way to do that. Without wasting any more time, let's hop onto the screen. Firstly, you will need to fire up your Linux machine. Here you will need to open your Firefox and enter Auto TOR IP changer. Click on the first link and simply click on the code and copy the link from here. Now fire up your terminal, enter git clone, and after that paste the link here. Hit enter. It will start cloning the tool. When it's done, you will have to move to the Auto TOR IP changer directory. For that, you will need to enter cd and enter auto and hit tab. It will autofill and then hit enter. Then it will move to the directory of the tool. Enter ls to list the files. After that, you will need to enter sudo python3 install.py and hit enter. Enter your sudo password, enter y and hit enter. That's it. It has been installed. You can see it has displayed me a message that is, congratulations, Auto TOR IP changer is installed successfully. Now you can type AUT to run this tool. To avoid this authentication, run the command with sudo permission. Enter sudo AUT, hit enter, and before running this tool, you will need to change some settings in your Firefox browser. And now, hit Ctrl+C to quit this tool. You will need to open your Firefox browser again and click on this hamburger menu. Click on settings, enter SOCK. So here you will need to change your socks, not the socks you wear, but the socks proxy in your browser. You will need to click on this settings, and now you will have to click on the manual proxy configuration. Here in the first column, you will have to enter 127.0.0.1, and in the port section, you will have to enter 9050 and click OK. Now you are all set. You will have to run the tool again. For that, I am entering sudo AUT. Hit enter. Now I will have to give it seconds. Like after how many seconds I want to change my IP address. So I am entering here 10 seconds. I want to change IP address in every 10 seconds. So after that, hit enter. And then you will need to enter how many times you want to change your IP address. So for that, you can enter 500, 1000 or 10,000, any number. I am entering 1000 here. I want to change my IP address 1000 times. Hit enter. Now, after a few seconds, you will be able to see it has been changing your IP addresses in every 10 seconds. So this is how you can change your IP addresses in every second. If you loved this video, then hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also hit that subscribe button to get this kind of content in your feed.